Right, so this is a handheld video sample on the Huawei Nova 5T, recording at 4K resolution, 30 frames a second. Looking through the settings doesn't seem to give me an option for any changing of any stabilization or anything, but as you see moving across, it kind of, as I'm moving and I stop, it carries on a little bit afterwards, so it seems to be adding some kind of stabilization. This path you've probably seen many times on my videos, but it's on my way to work, so holding the phone one-handed, just seeing what it's like walking down the path, how well the stabilization handles. It's not a very interesting video, I know, but it does give a good example of what to expect when you're moving. Going around, very cold morning, it is very early, it's about 8:30 in the morning, so there's another building that you've seen a lot of pictures of. Now while I'm in the video mode, it does give me the option, it seems, to switch between the cameras. So this is the normal mode, that is the 2x zoom, so that's standard, that's 2 times. And it also gives me the option to switch to wide angle as well. So again, this is another scene you've seen quite a few times in the park. So that would be the wide angle, that would be the standard, and that would be the 2x zoom. So I like the OnePlus series, the 7T series I reviewed recently. When you start recording a video, there's no option to switch the focus or the lens when you're mid-recording. It seems like on the Huawei Nova 5T you can, so that's an interesting thing to be able to do. If you record a lot of video and like to switch between zooming and wide angle mid-video, then this could be a good option. Going to do the usual curb test, as I normally do when I'm walking, because it when you're stepping down, that's a good test for stabilization. So let's give it a quick go now, see if you can tell any difference. Seems pretty steady, and that's just going up and down on there, so not a big height, but definitely enough to be able to, if the stabilization wasn't good, definitely enough to be able to make a difference in moving. But yeah, just a quick boring video sample quickly taken on the Huawei Nova 5T.